As we begin this part of the encounter, I'm going to show you the CAE part 3 so we can take a look at this mind map, and then we will talk about it as we usually do with a center question and different options on the outside. So I'm going to share my screen with you so you can take a look, and here it is. Can you guys see it there? It should be coming up any minute. Should be coming up. Okay, now Natalie and Margie, do you see? Okay, perfect. Great. So now we are going to see, look at the center question, which is how difficult might it be for people to make these hopes and dreams come true? Think about these things on the outside. How difficult might it be for people to make all these hopes and dreams come true? We are going to choose one and then we'll go to another one, and like that. How I would like you to do this is, for example, if Laura begins and she decides to speak about visiting a foreign country, and Margie says that she's going to talk about buying a house, then maybe you can say, the second person can say, yes, I agree with Laura, but I also think that buying a house could be difficult because ta 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 ta, and you start talking about your point. Okay? Did you get the instructions? Yes? Everybody? Yeah, it's similar. Yeah, that's how we are going to begin moving a little bit in this area. Little by little, as we move on our encounters, I'm going to put up a little bit more grade of difficulty so we can get better and improve our ability. Okay? Okay, so Natalie, could you please choose one to begin? Which one would you like to talk? Okay, I'm go. Sure, go ahead, Laura. Begin, and I'll try to fix this. Visit, visiting. Okay, go ahead. Only one, yes. I'm going to I'm going to time you. Remember, 2 minutes. Yes. Okay, that's a great idea. So I'm going to stop. Okay, go ahead, Margie. Mm-hmm. Well, maybe these people need to commit a lot or maybe put a lot of hours into practice. So becoming a sports star can be very difficult for the person, don't you think? That's okay, don't worry. Okay, I'm gonna stop you 1 second, Natalie. Remember that you are answering a question. And the question is, how difficult is it for a person, any person, to buy a car? We're not talking about you necessarily. We're asking you to give your opinion on how difficult do you think it is to buy a car. That's it. You need to stick to the question. Yeah, anybody. In general. Mm-hmm. I couldn't hear you, Natalie. The connection is a little. Your voice. Natalie? Yes, I hear you, but kind of caught interrupted. Can you hear me? Okay. So go ahead and finish your idea so we can continue. Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. So now we are going to move on to another topic. Let's take a look because it's going to come up on your screen right now. And we're going to talk about this other topic. The question is, what might people have to consider when making these decisions? So what might people have to consider when making these decisions? Decisions such as choosing an university, starting a family, moving to another country, getting married, or finding a job. What might people need to consider? When we talk about needing to consider, we talk about what do people need to think about. So what do people need to consider or have to consider when making these decisions? And Laura, would you like to start? Go ahead. Finding a job, okay. Laura? Laura? The connection was a little... There's... No, you're cutting off. I hear a little bit and then I don't hear and then I hear a little bit. It's cutting. Yeah, the last part of it, what you just said. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you very much.